What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be installing the LightFox 9-inch DRL driving lights. On the BZT bar, we already have our holes pre-drilled for these lights to be fitted. As you can see, we've got these rubber inserts. They make their way right here and the light fits on just like this. Just fix the lights in place. This is going to make it a little bit easier when we're installing them on the bar. So we'll be doing a little bit of a review for you guys. As soon as it gets dark this evening, we'll be taking the Fortuner out and testing these light boxes on our dark roads here. So look forward to showing you guys that and hope you're enjoying the video so far. LightFox makes it really so easy to install these lights. They basically include everything that you need in the packaging, straight from the wiring harnesses to all of the hardware, as well as the tool that you'll need. I think the only thing that they didn't include was the spanners that I used to fit the actual lights onto the bull bar itself. So we just came onto the dark road in my neighborhood now. We got the driving lights on. I'm gonna go completely dark and turn the spotties on. Let's do it. Quick test with the spotlights. That's what they look like. I think they do need a bit of focusing, but for now you can really get an idea of the spread. Alright, so after driving around with the spotlights for some time, I can say that I'm quite impressed with the beam pattern. I can see that I might need to angle them up just a bit higher and maybe a little bit to the left to center them out nicely. I think then we'll be able to get a really good view, but as right now I could see from already the beginning of this road straight to the end. So I really am impressed with the light so far. Just another bang with the light cubes. That is absolutely sick. I'm really impressed with these LightFox products. Awesome DRL that I'm getting from the light cubes now, the orange one. And I still have yet to install and connect up the DRLs on the spot lamps, but that will happen really soon. And you guys will see some photos up on my social media. The 9 inches have been something that's been on my bucket list for some time, so I'm quite happy that we finally got to secure a really good product with LightFox. Thank you guys for hopping onto the build.